Joint Repair Devices Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global joint repair devices market size is $24,518.2 million in 2024 and will expand at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. North America held the major market share of more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $9,807.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe accounted for a share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $7,355.46 million. Asia Pacific held the market share of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $5,639.19 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America market share of more than 5% of the global revenue with a market size of $1,225.91 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa held the major market share of around 2% of the global revenue with a market size of $490.36 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.